Hello guys, welcome back to our channel TechBit. In this video, I'm going to share how to make use of pen and paper for online classes using Google Meet. For this, all you need is a piece of paper and pen along with this your smartphone and laptop. Okay. And this is just an idea, so you can develop this idea into a better way as per your comfort. So please watch the video till the end. Okay, let's get it. Okay, first of all, make sure you have better internet connection so you can share the video of good quality. Now open Google Meet. Log in with your preferred ID. Click on new meeting. Get a new meeting link to share. Just copy the link. Okay, link is being copied and paste it here. After pressing, click on join. This page will be displaying. After that, click on join now. So now you are online. Okay, afterwards you have to bring your second ID here, which is being logged in with your smartphone. So I'm gonna invite my second ID, which is being logged in with my smartphone here. Just click on add people, enter in my Gmail ID. In this, your smartphone acts as a camera recording your white paper, which is where you are gonna write something to help the viewers for easy understanding. I will show you how does this works. After that, after entering your Gmail, click on send email. Okay, let's check what happens with my mobile phone. Now click on Gmail. You can see the invitation here from TechBit channel. Join the meeting using this. So I have brought my second ID to here. Just one for video conferencing and the other one for recording the white paper in which I am going to write something for other viewers. Okay. After that, fix your phone to a perfect stand so that the white piece of white paper is perfectly visible to the others. Before that, you can make your own landscape, turn it to landscape mode, click on more options, switch camera, so the backside camera is going to work. Let's see how it works on the computer screen. Now you can see how it works. You can see the piece of paper I have placed on the table. I just fixed my camera above. I'm gonna write something here. Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna write welcome to my channel. You can see the video is not in good quality. It's because of your internet connection. My internet connection is quite bad. um, but make sure you have good internet connection so you can share a good quality video here. I just shared an idea, you can develop it in a better way so you can make use of it with the available items with you. Just what you need is a smartphone with backside camera, your laptop or computer, whatever it may be, piece of paper and a marker or color pencil. Okay, now I will show you how to present using this Google Meet. Now click on present now, your entire screen, and click on share. I have just displayed my mobile screen here. So you can see it on the mobile screen how this thing works for the viewers. I'm working on the PC and how it looks for the viewers, and I will show here on the smartphone. You can just share whatever it may be. I'm just showing the photo. You can change it, zoom it. Everything will be displayed like this on your viewer screen. You can share photos or web or image web or PDFs or PowerPoint, whatever it may be. You can share here, or you can browse something and show it to the viewers. Whatever you like to explain using your computer, you can present using the present now option.
In the great outdoors, forever free, you and me.
So afterwards, you have enough presenting. Click on you are presenting. Stop presenting option will be displayed. Just stop presenting. Your presenting screen will be cut from there. Yes option. Okay, that's all about the video. Hope you get something from this video, so make use of it. If you like this video, just click on the like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.